This house was designed from the idea of an eclipse, but not as a literal copy. The concept appears in the meeting between two circles, a large round window facing the veranda and another circular opening crossing through the pool. Casa Eclipse in the northern area of Merida, Mexico, is a sculptural house open to the outdoors, where vegetation becomes the protagonist. Its design does not work only as a sequence of rooms, it creates a path. The house is introverted. It doesn't reveal everything at once. The experience begins with a main axis that crosses from south to north. This axis organizes the arrival, guides the eye through the main gallery, and ends at the meeting between the two circles that give the house its name. The first major space is the gallery, a double-height volume that contains the social and entertainment areas. This is where the kitchen, the staircase, and the most direct connection to the veranda, the pool, and the exterior are located. The large circular window of the veranda is one of the most striking elements. The center of this circle defines the axis of the house. Farther ahead, this axis meets another circular opening, crossing through the pool. It's from this alignment between circle, water, and path that the image of the eclipse emerges. The pool doesn't appear only as leisure, it participates in the composition. The water extends the gallery outward, reflects the light, and reinforces the most symbolic point of the project. Vegetation is an essential part of the house. The site already had existing trees, and they were considered in the layout. Gardens, patios, and voids help break the rigidity of the white geometry and make the house feel less closed. From this central axis, the house opens to the sides. On one side, there is a covered corridor with arches, called a walkway, which leads to the main bedroom. These arches create shade, rhythm, and depth. On the other side, the path is more open, with exterior stairs and access to the secondary bedroom. The materiality is almost monochromatic: white cement-based floors, plastered walls, wrought iron elements painted white. This palette creates a neutral base that allows light, shadows, vegetation, and water to gain more presence. This choice works well as an image, especially in Merida, where the light changes a lot throughout the day. But it also has a more delicate side. A house this white and this open requires constant maintenance. Dust, humidity, and signs of use can appear quickly. The arches bring an almost surreal atmosphere. They aren't there only as decoration, they mark passage, create shade, and frame the vegetation. The house has a strong image, but it tries to balance that with gardens and transitional spaces. In the end, Casa Eclipse is simple to understand. It uses an axis, a gallery, 2 circles, a pool, and a sequence of arches to create an experience of discovery. It is a house that feels more scenic than discreet, but with a clear idea: to turn light, water, vegetation, and movement through space into part of domestic life.